Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Get Rest with Knowledge. In today's video, we are going to learn about the alter and drop command in SQL. What is alter? The alter command is part of DDL, Data Definition Language. It is used when we want to change the structure of an existing table without dropping it. What is drop? The drop command is also a part of DDL, Data Definition Language. It is used when we want to permanently delete a database object, such as a table, a view, or even the entire database. I use alter. For example, sometimes we create a table but later realize that we need one more column, or maybe we need to change the data type of a column. Instead of deleting the table, we can simply use the alter command. 1. Add a new column. Suppose we want to add an extra column called age in the students table. We can write alter table students add age int, end quote. This will add a new column named age to the table. 2. Modify a column. Now, let's say the name column was created with only 50 characters, but we realize we need more space. We can modify it like this. Alter table students, ragas, var char 100, end quote. End quote. This increases the column size to 100 characters. 3. Rename a column. Alter table students rename column name to full name, end quote. This renames the column name to full_name. What is drop column? Sometimes, when we design a table, we may add a column that is no longer needed later. In such cases, instead of keeping unnecessary data, we can simply remove it. To do this, we use the drop column option with the alter command. What is drop column? Sometimes, when we design a table, we may add a column that is no longer needed later. In such cases, instead of keeping unnecessary data, we can simply remove it. To do this, we use the drop column option with the alter command. Example: let's say we have a table called students with columns ID, name, and age. But now we don't want the age column anymore. We can write alter table students drop column age. Drop a view or index. Now let's look at how to drop a view or an index in SQL. A view is like a saved query that shows specific data from one or more tables. If we no longer need that view, we can remove it using the drop command. For example, drop view student_view. This will permanently delete the view called student view from the database. Next, an index is used to make searching faster in a table. But sometimes we don't need an index anymore, or maybe it was created by mistake. In that case, we can drop it like this. Drop index student_index. This command will delete the index named student_index from the database. So simply put, drop view deletes a saved view, and drop index deletes an index. Both are removed permanently from the database. Important note: remember, once you use drop, the object is gone forever, and the data inside it will also be lost. So always use it carefully.